I'm curious about Google Search Console. What is its purpose and what problems can it solve for me?
So Google Search Console is a free tool. It's really about SEO. And some of the critical things that it does, especially for smaller companies, is it lets you know of all of your pages which ones actually could appear in search results. And so if you see pages that you think are important for your buyer persona to get to and they're not in the results, you need to link to those pages, right? So that Google thinks they're more important. And then you can also manually request that Google index that page, but it may fall out again until you have enough links coming to that page. But ideally, when you use Google Search Console, you'll see that the pages you care about are in the index, meaning they can be results. And then as you track over time how much actual traffic you're getting in terms of clicks, and then what's above that, which is impressions, which is a chance to get a click, you want to see that trend line going up, right? Especially if you're investing in SEO work. If it's not, you have a problem and you need to figure out why your trend line is not growing and why you're not getting more traffic that you care about over time.